How to fix guided access not working on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of Accessibility, open it. Now scroll down. Over here you're going to find the option of Guided Access, open it. Now toggle on for the option of Guided Access. After you toggle it on, you can check whether it is working or not. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, go to the main page of Settings, go to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, open the option of Software Update. If any software updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix guided access not working on iPhone or iPad. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.